Hello everybody, good evening. Today we're gonna open glaze. What do you think? Beautiful. Oh, okay. So Iser, that's for my mom. Ima. I thought it came out very nice. I like it.
Mm-hmm.
That's for the door. Okay, now this is like something that I made. It's an experiment that I made. I took white clay and I mixed it with, it's called, it's not underglaze, it's pigment, green pigment, and this is like clear, and I put clear glaze on top, and I like it. Okay, so this is, that's my beads. But that was funny because I didn't know how to hang it, and oops, it fell. And one of my students, she really wanted me to leave both sides with glaze, and I was like, oh, well, how am I going to put it? You know, I can't. So, and here it couldn't fit because it was too large, and this touched here and this touched there, and I was like, okay. So turned out to be nice. Liat. Okay. Now, okay, this I made. It's like those biscuits that I make with the numbers of glazing. I like this one better. This one is actually nice too. I like this one. I like that it's not so shiny. Yeah. This one you can't really tell. It's funny because when you put like, sometimes when you put glaze on top of like a pot that you make or a plate or whatever, it looks different than on a tile. Oh, this is Liat's as well. Nice. Okay. This is also, it's white and it has like splashes of something. WC. Yeah. Funny. Okay, this is one of my students made. That's nice. Okay. Next. Opa. Let's start with Kochi.
That's not Kochi, that's Moses.
Ah, that's Moses. I don't know if you remember the previous video that I made. Moses.
With the black nose.
Yeah, I love it. Okay. Bakri turned out to be perfect. Huh? But the name, yeah, but you can still, I mean, the cup itself, I think it's perfect.
Very, very nice, yeah.
Yeah, even, no bubbles. No bubbles.
How come?
I don't know. This glaze, it's unbelievable.
Very beautiful mug, really.
Yeah. Bakri. Okay, this
Whoa.
planter.
It's a planter?
It's a planter. Oh, look at that.
What's that?
I don't know. Maybe it didn't. And this, I don't know what that is. Things happen in the kiln that nobody knows. All right. This is what Bar made.
Beautiful.
It is.
You move it all around. Just.
Oh.
Okay. Okay.
Here, I'm not moving.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not moving. It's cute. Okay. Jan, look at how thin.
Did you make
is.
this?
Yeah, I made it. It's black clay. This
Wow.
is clear
Very, very
Clear?
nice combination.
glaze, and this is beige with dots. Has like a name for it. Walnut
The black is
spice.
underglaze with the clear glaze on
No,
top.
no. It's black
The
clay.
clear glaze on the black clay comes
Yeah,
out like
here, this is how it looks without
the clear glazing.
clear glazing, and this is how it looks with the clear
this. So
glazing.
there is no paint?
No paint, no
Oh.
nothing.
Wow.
Yep.
So black clay with clear glaze comes out like this?
Yes,
Wow.
and I like that,
Yeah.
the combination, because what happened was I dipped the beige first, and then I dipped the clear, and it came over the beige, and this is how it turned out.
Mm-hmm.
Look at the inside. Oh, you can't really see anything.
No, I can.
You can?
Mm-hmm. It's very nice.
All right. Okay. Next. Oh! Wow. Liat. Nice.
Dove. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. She's gonna put like a stick,
Mm-hmm.
and
Like for the garden?
yeah, for the garden.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. That's a student. Natalie made it. She made these. She made these pebbles. I don't know. That's nice.
Yeah.
I don't know. She didn't really know what she wanted to make, and she came and she was like, I don't know what to do. I was like, okay, so what do you want to do? I don't know what to do. So, and then she said, you know what? I'm gonna make pebbles for my backyard. So, okay. Wow.
That's very nice.
Yeah. Yes. Wow.
Really? Mm-hmm.
Yes, this is CA36. That's it?
Glazing?
Yeah, that's it. It's glazing. It's very beautiful. Okay.
Who made it?
Natalie.
Mm-hmm.
Bar made it. She came to one of my classes in Misgav,
Mm-hmm.
and she was bored, so this is what she did. I was like, okay. This also, that Liat made it. Yes. Okay. Okay. No, I don't remember what's underneath. And I don't know why. Maybe I'm getting old. Okay.
Wow, that's a very beautiful bowl.
Oh, it is nice. Wow. This is actually, I love it. It's amazing.
Mm-hmm.
And this one is this. You see?
Yeah.
It's KG KGS7. Wow. Turned out to be really beautiful.
Yeah.
Amazing. Okay. That Liat's daughter made.
It's a cup.
It's a planter.
It's a planter.
Yeah.
Cute.
Yeah. Okay. This Hadass made it.
It's like a bell.
It's a bell, yeah. It's a bell. It's very nice. Very nice. That's Liat's daughter made as well.
What's that? Is that glazing?
It's that underglaze. It's just
underglaze.
underglaze with no clear
Mm.
glazing on top. And this Hadass. It's funny, I don't remember I don't remember what kind of glazing she put. Weird. Okay. But it's nice.
Yeah.
No?
It looks like
It's weird, the white stuff.
Yeah.
But it's still beautiful. I mean, it's beige and white and so many things. Exciting. That's how Hadass made it as well.
nice.
Yeah. Look how weird this is. See all the dots here? And here
it's
there's
clear.
and if you're asking me, don't ask me, I don't know. I really don't. It's like it's magic. Witchcraft. Okay, so that's it guys for today. Hope to see you next video. Thank you. Bye.